I got a mammogram today because I like to do it every year. I have some family history, and so it's just important for me to know. This was different today. It seemed faster. It seemed a little bit gentler, less painful. It's like getting a gentle hug.
People don't look forward to getting their mammogram ever. A couple months go by, now you're late, and then maybe another year goes by, and now you're really late. And really, we want to be screening for breast cancer every year. The faster we can get in front of that stuff, the better we can serve our patients, the healthier we can keep them, the better quality of life. So if we have patients that are not dreading their mammograms, we would much rather have them thinking of it in that way.
This particular machine, it was a little bit faster, seamless, and it was less painful. It was gentle.
It's more comfortable for the patient. The images are looking really, really sharp. Just really excited to have the new technology of the comfort paddle where it doesn't feel quite as tight on the patient's breast. We have two different kinds of paddles and they both offer a little bit better comfort in two different ways. And so we're able to offer a little bit more of a comfortable experience for our patient now.
Walking in the room for the first time was it was peaceful. It didn't feel medical. It just felt like I was going to a spa. It's nothing to be afraid of. With the technology that they have today, it's painless, it's easy, it's fast, and it gives you peace of mind.